Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And as you know, they're all general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. So, and for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Pisces. Messages for Pisces. So we have the King of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, the Lovers, the Five of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, Justice, the Two of Cups, the Seven of Wands, the Emperor is very active today with the Nine of Wands, the Emperor, the Devil, the Queen of Cups. Okay, anyway. See, Pisces, somehow what I feel is that you've left a situation or maybe a person in which though there was a lot of abundance, though there was a lot of stability, but everything seemed to you to be more materialistic. So it's like giving up the materialistic things and walking away from them towards new love, or towards something which is, even if it is, even if there is no material wealth there, even if though there are no ornamental things there, but then yes, it is, maybe it is even to the bare minimum, but then there is some transparency to it, a more beautiful soul connection type of an energy. That's what I feel. It's like giving up the materialistic aspects for something which is beautiful as that at the soul level. It's something of like that. It's coming off as a sort of renunciation for some of you. Not exactly renunciation, but then yes, okay, I don't want wealth, I want love. That is the type of an energy which is coming up here. So maybe you were dealing with a person or a situation in which everything was very uh, wealth was there, power was there, everything was there, but perhaps you were not happy, so you decided to walk away from. It's like walking away from a palace to a normal life type of a situation. That's what I feel. And one more thing which I'm feeling is, and you are doing it not only because of the fact that there was a lot of wealth. No, you, it's not that you were not liking the wealth and all, but what I feel is that you were, there was so much of power that you felt crushed in that power. Maybe the situation was too dominating that it was crushing you. It's what you were not feeling good about it. Okay, so there was power, exudance of money, everything was out of power and money, that, and you felt crushed. Maybe there was a lot of domination there, and you felt crushed over there, and that is why you decided to walk away. That's what I feel. And then you want, that is what you want, you're choosing love, that is what you're looking for. Okay, and then we have the Five of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Six of Wands. So what I feel here is that so when you decide to walk away, maybe you have the person in your mind towards whom you're walking away, or it is just energy that this is what you're looking for. Not necessarily you have the person in your life. Okay, it may be just the energy that this is what I want. Okay, it can be as simple as that, that this is what I'm looking for, I don't want this, and this is what I'm walking towards. Okay, so obviously there are phases in which you feel conflicted and confused. You are not able to understand what to do, how to move forward, maybe that sort of a dilemma. But then with the Ace of Pentacles and the Six of Wands, I really feel that you get that new beginning which you've been looking for. You get that new beginning and you feel really happy and victorious. So you are successful in getting what you are actually looking for, the new beginning, which is actually more stable for you, which you actually want, and you are feeling good and happy with that. Then we have the Justice and the Two of Cups. So definitely what I feel is this is something here which is getting sorted out. Things are getting balanced, and you are getting that beautiful connection which you decided to move towards. You are getting it over here. The life is giving you what you actually wanted, but then again there is something here with the Seven of Wands. Some sort of a struggle is still there. See, there is some sort of a resistance, and to me, this resistance seems to be with the Emperor, the Devil, and the Queen of Cups. It is something which is troubling you deep within. This is something which has to be sorted out. This is something. Uh, it is again coming up from that place of power and authority. Maybe it is the same person coming back. I don't know. Can be for some of you. Maybe that is what needs to be addressed. Or maybe you have actually chosen to walk away, but still there is some sort of a, there is something here which is connected to the same aspect. That's what I feel, which you actually left or decided to leave. Maybe you're not able to forget, or maybe there is something which is still there, which has to be addressed on the emotional level. That's what I feel. So in spite of having a new beginning, in spite of getting what you actually wanted, there is something here which is again coming back, and it is still troubling you. And I think it can be the memories of the person, or the person himself or herself. I really don't see any reunion here, so I really don't see that person coming back. But maybe you still are not able to forget that person. Some sort of a temptation or addiction is still there regarding that situation, which still makes you emotional at times. The Seven of Hearts, there's a lot of confusion. You are not able to make up your mind, perhaps, then what you actually want, the current person or somebody you already decided to leave. Guidance from the angels. Six of Action. What a wonderful experience for you. Your project is a total success, bringing awards, promotions, and other recognition for your efforts. Well done. If someone who can help you offers assistance, know that this person is heaven sent, and say yes. So, one thing which I'm getting is, are you confused that you want this person or you want your ex? Or you're still not able to forget that person? Can be that. But I really feel that the new person is better. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.